Jai Shri Krishna. Today we celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna Janmashtami, the festival of devotion, joy, and, of course, Krishna's love for Makhan and Mishri. On this divine day, let's prepare something truly special, a modern twist on the classic Makhan Mishri and Krishna Peda Pops, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation made with flavors Krishna adored. Let's begin. In a blender, add seedless dates, roasted almonds, and cashews. Blend until a sticky crumb forms. Add a spoon of ghee, mix well, and press this mixture into mini tart molds. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to set. Now for the heart of our recipe, the makhan filling. Take homemade white butter and whip it until light and fluffy, just like this. Now add condensed milk, cardamom powder, a touch of saffron milk, and powdered mishri. You can take your own set of ingredients, but these are the basic things. Mix gently to make a creamy divine filling as shown here. Spoon the saffron kissed makhan mixture into the set tart shells. Smooth the top with the back of a spoon. Now for the festive touch, garnish with mishri crystals, pistachios, edible flowers, and a fresh few fruits. Each tart looks like a little offering of devotion. Our Makhan Mishti Tarts are ready, a devotional treat that carries the essence of Janmashtami in every bite. Creamy, crunchy, and full of Krishna's favorite flavors, a modern prasadam you will love sharing. Now for the second recipe, what is Janmashtami without pedas? Today we are giving a playful twist to Madura's famous pedas, presenting Shri Krishna Peda Pops, creamy, delicious pedas served on lollipop sticks, decorated in vibrant colors. In a pan, heat ghee and add crumbled koya. Stir gently for a few minutes. Then mix the ingredients that I am going to tell you in a second. We need to take milk powder, sugar, cardamom, and a pinch of nutmeg. Cook until everything comes together into a smooth dough. Once cooled slightly, take small portions and roll into smooth peda balls, the classic sweet in its purest form. Now give them a playful touch. Insert lollipop sticks into each peda to turn them into fun little pops like this. To make them festive and colorful, coat some in chopped pistachios, roll a few in dried rose petals, and cover others with saffron tint or silver foil. This way, every peda pop looks unique. Finally, arrange the peda pops in a clay pot or vase just like a bouquet. This Janmashtami, may Lord Krishna bless your home with love, happiness, and sweetness. Jai Shri Krishna.